This is a Master Lock 575. Now I just got this lock today. It did not take me that long to get into. I thought it would take me a little bit. So this lock, unlike many of the locks I have here, is a dead core lock, meaning that once you open it, the latch doesn't pop up all by itself. You have to manually do it by itself. And that's a dead core. This is a live core where it opens up all by itself. The main difference between the live core and a dead core is that you don't need much tension on a dead core. Now, let's get into this. Alrighty, so I'm using a 40,000 tension wrench, and I'm going to be using the McNally's McTickler to get into it. And I'm already in. All right. Let's try that again with a different pick, shall we? We'll use this one that's from Sparrows. I forgot the name of it. Yeah, I forgot the name of this one, but this one's from Sparrows. So, put it in. And I'm in. All right. One more. Let's just try a good old wave rake, shall we? You know, one of these guys. And I'm in. Master Lock number 575. Anyway, thank you all for watching. This is Riker Eve. Telling you to have a good day and a good night.